to talk to our second year students on the environmental science stream. So actually, first I would like to say, no matter what stream you would choose, you will be always most welcome in our department. I think zoology and environment sciences is a department with the friendly staff, friendly and welcoming department, and you will have a lot of good experiences to cherish someday when you leave. So with that brief introduction, I need to, like I mentioned, there's a lot of scope in our department, in all the other streams as well. But my task is to talk about the environmental science stream. And let me share my screen. I hope you all can see this. Can you see this, please? Hello?
Still no, madam.
Can you see
No,
it?
no, Irani, we can't see.
You can't see it? Okay. I hope you can see it now, right?
Yes, madam, we can see.
Okay, good. So, I'm sure you all know about environmental science as a subject from your first year Introduction to Environmental Science course, and also the fundamentals of environmental management course. But today, my task is to give an overview of the EN Special Program, Environmental Science Honors Degree Program.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
The screen is not shared.
Still not shared?
The presentation.
Can you see it now?
Yes, now we can see.
Okay, good. Okay, so my task is to give an overview of the Environmental Science Honors Degree Program or Environmental Science Special Degree Program. That's what we used to call in the past. So Environmental Science Program, it is for those who have a concern towards the environment. Of course, you need to have a passion towards the environment. And those who would like to receive a deeper knowledge on our environment and environmental concerns or issues. And also for those who wish to get employed or pursue higher studies in a range of environmental fields. So this is for you all who have a passion for the environment and who would like to choose higher studies or a career path in this field. And a degree in environmental science can open up so many avenues for you all. And it also will give you the opportunity for community participation, community service, to various activities conducted by various university organizations such as Center for Environmental Initiatives, where I am serving as the director. We conduct a lot of environmental activities, and also BEES, of course, our student organization, and also the Career Guidance Unit, where our head, Professor Deep, is co-director. So there are so many opportunities for community service as well if you join our department. And areas or fields related to environmental science, actually, I got this from one of the slides I put when I was introducing the course during the first year. So there are so many related fields. If you do environmental science, so if you do an honors degree in environmental science, you can, it will open up so many avenues for you. You can do any job or higher studies in any of these fields, because I don't think there is any field where environment is not important. Every field, environment is so important in all the fields. So environmental management and sustainability, biology, ecology, geology, soil science, hydrology, atmospheric science, disaster management, meteorology, climate change, geography, nanotechnology, law, only to name a few. Okay. So for this course, for this degree course, we take 10 students each year, and the eligibility is like that: GPA of 3 for EN 1008 and EN 2008, and GPA of 2.7 for core courses either of zoology, plant sciences, or chemistry, ZL, BTO, CH. And the selection is based on the total weighted mark obtained for EN 1008 and EN 2008. So if you decide to follow an environmental science special degree, you will be exposed to so many subjects and topics. So during the third year, you will have these courses: natural hazards and disaster risk management, public policy and social movement, climate change, environmental seminar, where you would get the opportunity to talk about so many environmental topics, and also environmental resource management, environmental economics and sustainable development, environment and industry, landscape ecology, fundamentals of conservation biology and wildlife management, ecotoxicology. So all these fields, all these subjects are very important, and you will get the chance to learn so much by going through, by listening to our academics in the department, who are well reputed, well experienced academics, and you will get the opportunity to learn from them. And in the level 4, in level 4 or 4th year, you will be exposed to these courses: tools of environmental management, environmental education, journalism and NGOs, environmental policies, legislation and administration, environmental issues, nuclear technology and environment, instrumentation for environmental management, seminar, research project, guided reading and essay, project development, which is common to everyone. So like that, you will get the opportunity to study a range of subjects and learn a lot from our academics. And for your research project, I think even my colleagues from the other streams, they mentioned about the research opportunities in our department. So even with the environmental science, our academics, they have a diverse expertise in so many areas. So if you get selected to follow an environmental science special degree, you can be doing research in any of these fields where your supervisors have their expertise in, like environmental management, biodiversity conservation, herpetology, wetland ecology, water and sanitation, pollution management, disaster risk reduction, biosecurity and biosafety, conservation biology, ecotoxicology, climate change, greenhouse gas inventory, carbon cycle research, environmental modeling, environmental flows, drought frequency analysis, sustainable designs, solid waste management, water and wastewater management. So they have a range of expertise where you all can learn something in doing your research with them. And so you will learn how to do proper research in environmental science if you join our stream. Actually, our students, they have published publications in journal articles and even presentations in different national and international conferences. So normally people publish their research once they do their higher studies, but I'm proud to say that even our undergraduates have published their research, and they have made presentations in both national and international conferences. And here I have added some recent publications that came out of research in our environmental science special students. So I have listed here only which I could find after 2017, some of them, not all. Similar to these are only the journal publications. Similar to that, our students have presented their research in so many conferences and international meetings and local meetings as well. So where are our graduates now? So this is Ms. Charuni Padmeswaran. She's a PhD candidate at University of New South Wales in Australia. Actually, her field of research is climate change and heat waves. So she was actually doing her research with me in the area of climate change when she was doing her honors degree. And for that, she did studied about the extreme events. But now she has moved to studying heat waves. Similar to that, we have a lot of environmental science students who are doing their postgraduate studies in both universities outside Sri Lanka and also who are doing their research and studies locally. For instance, Malka Fernando, she's an MSc student and at University of East Finland, and she's doing her research in biogeochemistry. And Ms. Damitri Jayasekara, she's a PhD candidate at Auckland University of Technology, New Zealand. And Ms. Shamika Shivanti, she's an MSc student she's an MSc student plus currently working as a sustainability officer at Climate Smart Initiatives, and her field is environmental management. And also there's Dilani Sumanapal, an MSc student at University of Sri Jayawardenepura. And Amaya Vijay Singha, she's doing MSc in Biodiversity, Conservation and Management. And she's currently working at UNEP WCMC in England as a communications and, sorry, I can't see that, officer. So after her master's, she's working in the UK for the UN. And then there is Pabasara Bandara. He's also an MSc student who's doing his studies at University of Florida, USA. And his field of research is interdisciplinary ecology. Then Sanduni Somaratna, she's doing her PhD at the University of Colombo. Her field of research is climate change and environmental psychology. And then there is Ms. Nishara Fernando, who is working as a business analyst in sustainability, and she's working at MS Krida. And Ms. Rushanya Dayatilaka, MSc student at University of Oxford. And Mr. Shamanta Tapattu, an MSc student who is attached to Griffith University, Australia. And so this is his field of research. And we have Palindi Kalubovila, who's working as a business operations associated at the United Nations office here in Sri Lanka. And we have a lawyer, Manasi Somachandra, and there's Darshini Pereira, who is also working as a sustainability officer at Climate Smart Initiatives. And Shamaya Fernando, who's working at the Central Environmental Authority. And Kavisha Mudalige, who's working as a business analyst at Australian Strategic Partnership, SP Solutions. And Ms. Sandani Sirivardhan, our environmental officer, who's working with me at the Center for Environmental Initiatives. So she's the environmental officer of our University of Colombo. So you can see this is only a handful of our graduates about whom I could get the information during the last 2-3 days. But there are more students. The recent batch who passed out now, they are working as temporary staff mostly, and Sandan is from that batch as well. And there are other students who passed out previously. They all have got good jobs in various fields. So we are proud to say that our program has been producing good productive graduates from the program. And that's all I have for this 10-minute time interval I was given. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, dear madam, for the informative presentation. And then I would like to invite Ms. Dinura for the presentation.
Thank you, Rochelle, and especially thank you for Bees for inviting me this session. I'll share my screen. Good morning, all of you. And first of all, I would like to welcome you to the best department of our faculty, the Department of Zoology and Environmental Sciences. Our department is the friendliest department, as Professor Lokopitia mentioned, and all the staff members are very much friendly and will help you for your academic life, career life, and even for your personal life. So that's why I'm calling my department as the best department of our faculty. And all four honors degree programs offered by our department are in high standards, as all lecturers mentioned previously. And among them, let's talk more about Environment Special Degree Program. And the environment science is a timely subject area because the environment is getting destroyed and degraded very rapidly today. And so all the academic activities you are going to cover within your third and fourth years as environment science students are already mentioned and described by Professor Erandathi Lokopitia. And so I'm going to tell you something more about our degree program other than lectures. Our degree program is not restricted to the lectures only. You will be able to attend so many field visits, factory visits, international conferences and symposiums, and lab work also. So you will be able to gain much more lifetime experiences through selecting environment science special degree program as your honors degree program. And now I will tell you some information about field visits which I was able to attend during my third and fourth years. And all the field practicals, all the field workshops organized by our department are very well organized, planned, and really, really perfect. And all field visits gave me lifetime experiences, and all of them are quite very much interesting, and I and my colleagues were also able to get much knowledge throughout these field visits. And now I'll show you these are some captures we taken at some of our field visits. Those are at Bogala Mine, Maligatana, Wasgamow National Park, Maduruwa National Park, and these are at Calido Beach, Maduruwa National Park, Yala National Park, and Bathalegoda Rice Research Center, and there were many more. And especially, I would like to say that in my third year, we were able to visit Wasgamow National Park twice for different subjects. And although the location was same, the experiences we got were really, really different. The field practicals we did were really, really different. And that's the speciality of these field visits. All the field visits are very well organized, which are organized by our department. So the last picture here is the most recent field visit I visit as an assistant lecturer with our third year environment science and zoology specialist students. And actually, the most of the experiences we got through all these field visits were very much rare. And an ordinary person cannot even visit some places we were there in our field visits. And according to me, the most interesting component of our degree program of environment science special degree program can consider as field visits. So you also will get this chance to get this lifetime experience if you choose environment science as your honors degree program. So other than field visits, we were able to attend so many factory visits. Those were also really interesting, and we were able to gain knowledge and experiences about how theories in environmental management are used practically. So these are very few pictures I included here at Biyagama Export Center, Ratmalana Airport, Nature's Beauty Creation and Nature's Beauty Creations, and etc. Apart from these places, we were able to visit so many factories during our third and fourth years. And also we were able to attend so many international conferences. And these conferences gave us really good opportunities to get international knowledge. They gave us international exposure and experiences, and especially international fellowships. And apart from these activities, we were also able to conduct so many environmental protection awareness programs for kids as social services. And we conducted an educational program for school children in rural village in Polonnaruwa district, wetland protection awareness program at Diyasaru Park, and especially we were able to conduct a flood relief program for school children in Baduraliya area, Kalutara district during our third year. And at the end of your degree, there will be plenty of higher study, higher educational opportunities as mentioned by Professor Erandathi Lokupitiya, and also there will be good job opportunities for you as environmentalist, both in government and private sectors. And you will be able to join international organizations such as UN, IUCN, and etc. as mentioned by Professor Erandathi Lokupitiya. And as knowledgeable and enthusiastic young environmentalists, you will be able to contribute actively for the environmental protection at the end of this degree program. According to my opinion, this will be the most important aspect you will gain to your life ultimately from selecting this environment science special degree program. So that's it, and I would like to finally I like to invite you all to choose environment science special degree program as your honors degree program and success your future as a good environmentalist and lead the battle to serve our precious environment. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Dinura, and once again, thank you very much, dear Madam Professor Lokupitiya and Ms. Dinura for the impressive presentation.